Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 13 on binomial distribution. In this lecture, we will discuss one question on binomial distribution which was asked in GTU Winter 2024 examination. The problem is, in a throw of a dice, the appearance of number 4 is taken as a success. If the dice is thrown 5 times, find the mean, variance and standard deviation. So first we have to identify what is the random variable. So here they are considering throwing of a dice and they are interested in the appearance of number 4. We know that if we have a dice, then when we are throwing a dice, we have these 6 possibilities for the upward face of a dice. Out of those 6 possibilities, they are interested in the appearance of a number 4 and they consider that event that number 4 appears as success, and they are throwing a dice 5 times. Here they have not given that whether dice is biased or unbiased. We have to assume that dice is unbiased, because if dice is unbiased, then we can say that there are equal chances for each number to appear, and therefore probability of each number to appear on the upward face can be taken as 1 by 6 if the dice is unbiased. So here we first write that, assume that the dice is unbiased, or we have a fair dice. They are throwing dice 5 times, and in each trial we consider throwing of a dice as a trial, and they are considering throwing of a dice 5 times. So there are total 5 trials, and in each trial they are interested in the appearance of a number 4. So here we define our random variable as the number of times 4 appears. The number of times the number 4 appearance, the number of times number 4 appear is considered as the random variable capital X, and they are considering total 5 times throwing. So we consider that n equal to 5 trials, and because we have n equal to 5 trials, possible values of random variable X are, in out of those 5 trials, we do not get 4 in any trial, that is number of times 4 appears is 0. Similarly, we can have number 4 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, 4 up to 5. Again, they have given that we have to consider the event that number 4 appears as success. So we write that number 4 appears is taken as success. So here we can see, in each of these 5 trials there are 2 possibilities: either number 4 appears or number 4 does not appear. So here we have 5 trials, that is finite number of trials. In every trial we are considering 2 possibilities: either number 4 appears or number 4 does not appear. They have not given any restriction on the experiment, therefore we can assume that all the throwings are independent, that means trials are independent. And we know that if dice is unbiased, then probability of each number to appear on a dice is 1 by 6. So here we can write that the probability of getting 4, or probability of success, is small p equal to 1 by 6. So all the conditions of binomial experiment are satisfied. Therefore we can say that this capital X follows a binomial distribution with number of trials n equal to 5 and probability of success p equal to 1 by 6. Here they have not specified anything about the distribution for this given problem. So first we define this random variable, which is number of times 4 appears, and we know that number of trials are finite. In every trial there are two possibilities: number 4 appears or number 4 does not appear. Trials are independent and the probability of getting 4 in each trial remains same, that is probability of success is constant. Therefore we can say that X follows binomial distribution with parameters n equal to 5 and probability of success p equal to 1 by 6. And we are familiar with the ready-made formula of mean, variance and standard deviation for binomial distribution. So therefore we can write that the mean of this random variable x is, we know that mean of binomial random variable is given by number of times multiplied with probability of success, number of trials multiplied with probability of success, and it is 5 into 1 by 6, which is 5 by 6, and we can write this up to 4 decimal places as 0.8333. Similarly, we are familiar with the variance of binomial distribution. So variance of binomial random variable or binomial distribution is sigma square equal to n into p into 1 minus probability of success. N means 5, p means probability of success is 1 by 6 and 1 minus 1 by 6. This turns out to be 5 by 6 times 5 by 6, that is 25 by 36, or this we can rewrite as 0.6944 up to 4 decimal places, and the standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance denoted by sigma. It is square root of sigma square. If we consider this, then it is square root of 25 by 36, which is 5 by 6, and 5 by 6 is approximately 0.8333 up to 4 decimal places. So this is nice problem. All we have to understand is that this is the problem of binomial distribution, and we should familiar with the formulas of mean and variance of binomial distribution. So this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.